So family.
Is he just loose?
Is he wild, Mr. Noy?
Has he escaped?
He's hungry.
He's hungry.
Oh, he's
God.
going to talk.
Someone give him a
Why
banana.
did he reverse it?
Probably because you don't want to get crushed by an elephant.
Someone's giving some water.
Why are they all turning around?
You want some water?
Because he's a wild elephant. No way.
Who has water in there?
Because that elephant will crush him, mate. Look at him. This is crazy.
Do it, no, do it.
This guy's going to try and get around him. No way. Oh, no way.
Mr. Noy, how would you do this?
Oh no, he's coming for us.
Don't say that, Callum.
Oh no.
Jesus Christ.
Oh no.
This is insane. Oh no.
God.
Oh my God. Oh.
Mr. Noy's seen this before.
I got a picture of the head.
It's a wild elephant. It's crazy.
No, that bad.
I got a picture.